How to contact Western Union customer support. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in Western Union and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Navigate to this website option, westernunion.com. You will be directed to the official website of it. Once you're at the website, scroll all the way down. At the bottom side, you're gonna see different options. Navigate to the option of Contact Us, click on it. Now you will have three options to reach Western Union customer support. The first option is live chat. This is great if you need quick answers without making a phone call. Just click on the live chat button and start chatting with a representative. The second option is to give them a call. Western Union provides various numbers depending on your location and query. Simply choose the number that best fits your needs and give them a call. The third option is to visit nearby Western Union location and speak with an agent in person. Use the location finder on their website to find the nearest agent. So there we have it. 3 easy ways to contact Western Union customer support: live chat, phone call, or visiting a nearby location. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.